First, awareness without judgment. Notice when you're pulling away. Notice when you're testing. Notice when receiving feels uncomfortable. And instead of criticizing yourself, get curious. Ask, what is this response trying to protect me from? And when did I learn this? Right? Communicate your wiring to safe people. One of the most powerful things you can say to a partner or someone who is safe is, I'm noticing I want to pull away right now. That's not about you. Something is getting triggered and I'm trying to stay. That kind of honesty doesn't push people away, it invites them in. It gives them a chance to be part of your healing instead of confused by your behavior.